know, there's this image of a man that's standing outside, and he's standing in the sunrise, and then he's standing in the sunset, and all these things are happening with him in nature. And he's saying, I'm going to be an atheist until you show me a miracle, God. The sun rises, the sun sets, the water flows around him, the trees sprout, they change colors, the fruits come out and all. And he says, I'm waiting for a miracle from you, God. And then I'll believe in you, if you show me a miracle. And the problem is not the lack of a miracle, the problem is your inability to see it. Now here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, where do you think you came from? Look at the miracle of your very existence. You think that's not a miracle? What were you made from? You were made from a dirty drop of fluid. Then Allah created you. Then Allah proportioned you. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided you out into this world. Then just as Allah brought you in, Allah took you out, put you back into a grave. And just as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought you from the darkness of the womb into the light of day, Allah will bring you out of the darkness of the grave into the light of the day of judgment. It's going to happen that way. Is that not enough of a miracle for you?